Hello, friends. Do you know what the word ironic means? I'm pretty sure you do, but Jake doesn't. Still, he trusts Charlie. So today's exercise is all about irony, with our usual set of activities: describing, repeating, and of course, laughing. Look at the screenshot. It's an absolutely calm and relaxing moment at Charlie's house in Malibu. Let's describe it together. Follow me line by line. I'll give you enough space to repeat after each one. Okay, let's begin. Charlie and Jake are lounging outside. They're lounging on green reclining chairs. Charlie is holding a bottle of non-alcoholic beer. He looks relaxed in his usual casual outfit. Shorts, a short-sleeved shirt, socks, and shoes. Jake, wearing a red t-shirt and green shorts, is calmly sipping from a juice box with a straw. Behind the chairs, there's a green plant in a pot and a large window with dark green curtains. On the left, the glass doors are closed. Inside, Judith and Alan are sitting at a table. They're deep in conversation. They're clearly arguing. And what are they arguing about? Who should take Jake? Very well, everyone. Before we take a look at the episode, I want to explain what irony really is. Irony is when something happens that's the opposite of what you'd expect, and it often makes the situation funny, strange, or even a bit sad. For example, you spend all day getting ready for a beach trip, and then it starts raining the moment you arrive. That's ironic. There is a cult Russian comedy called The Irony of Fate, or Enjoy Your Bath, where almost everything goes wrong. Now let's watch the episode and listen to how Charlie explains irony.
What are they arguing about now?
It's actually kind of ironic. They're arguing about who gets you on what days.
That is ironic.
You know what ironic means?
No, but I trust you.
What's ironic is while they're arguing about who gets you, I get you. And you know what? It's not such a big deal.
Ha.
No offense, but let's face it, you're 10. I can't take you to Vegas. We can't double date. When was the last time you picked up a check, you mooch?
I'm almost 11.
I think their conversation is pretty clear, except for a couple of moments when Charlie asks Jake about the check and calls him a mooch. To pick up a check, this means to pay the bill at a restaurant or similar place. Imagine you're at dinner with friends, and when the waiter brings the bill, you say, "I got it." That means you're picking up the check. So when Charlie says, "When was the last time you picked up a check?" he's teasing Jake. Jake never pays for anything. Mooch. A mooch is someone who lives off others, always expecting free stuff, especially food, money, or favors, and never giving back. Imagine a guy always shows up hungry, eats your snacks, never brings anything. That's a mooch. Charlie calls Jake a mooch jokingly, like, "You're always around, eating my food, using my stuff, and never paying." Now you're completely in the zone, so let's read, listen, and repeat after the actors. This will help you automate your speech, improve pronunciation, and just feel like you're part of the scene.
What are they arguing about now?
It's actually kind of ironic. arguing about who gets you on what days.
That is ironic.
You know what ironic means?
No, but I trust you.
What's ironic is while they're arguing about who gets you, I get you. And you know what? It's not such a big deal.
Ha ha.
No offense, but let's face it, you're 10. I can't take you to Vegas. We can't double date. When was the last time you picked up a check, you mooch?
I'm almost 11.
And that's it for today's scene. Just 6.5 minutes. Short enough to keep it fun, but powerful enough to train your ear, your tongue, and your confidence. If you enjoyed this little session, give it a like. It helps a lot. Leave a comment. Tell us which line you liked most, or what you'd like to practice next. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Do you have a mooch friend? Someone who never picks up the check? Share your story in the comments. We'd love to hear it. You're doing great. One scene at a time, one laugh at a time. See you in the next one.